I would like to present to you or show you the working of two simple Python programs using the conditional statement if else. That's all. So first one is a number is given to you and you want to know whether it is an even number or an odd number. So as you remember, so we find the modulus 2 of that number and get the remainder. If the remainder is equal to uh, the 0, then we know that it is even or it is odd. So I have already have a program written here. I'm using spider anaconda spider. It becomes very easy. So I have the program. So test this program, I click here and I enter control enter. As you see, it gives the option here. So I enter there for example 20. So it's 20 is even. So it says 20 is even. I clear this screen. Let us see. Yeah, okay. Now again, I want to run this. So control enter. So I entered this time 13. And as you know, 13 is an odd number and it said 13 is odd. So this way we have tested one simple program. We have accepted one number and then found the remainder by finding the modulus 2 of that number. And if it is remainder is 0, we know that it is even and we present. So second question problem is I enter two unequal numbers. That is the condition, two unequal numbers, and then want to find out which is the largest number out of those. Let us see. Well, as you see here, I'm accepting value in x and the second value in y. And then I ask this question: if x is greater than y, I say print the value of x is greater than value of y. Else or, this is either x is greater or y is greater. Let us test this program. Again, control enter. So it asks the question, enter a number. So I am entering 40. Then enter a second number. I am entering 20. So naturally it says 40 is greater than 20. So this time I entered larger number and smaller number. Now what we shall do is again run this program. I enter 10 first, 10. Then I enter 70. So now it will say 70 is greater than 10. So this is how this second program works. Again, the option is either or. If this is true, do this statement, or else you do this statement. So that is the crux of this simple program.